Good evening, everyone. Thank you for visiting this YouTube channel. Here, I am with a brief update on TASI, and also I'm going to touch one more topic today. I'm presenting a brief disclaimer. Please read it. Only once you agree, proceed with next part of the video. So, as you know, I do not recommend any trade on this platform. These videos are only for information and educational purposes. Do consult your trading advisor before placing a trade, and do follow your risk management rules. Thank you. So it was a good day at Tasi. Good day in the sense that we had yesterday we had observed that there were quite a few indicators indicating the fact that while the main trend remains unchanged or moderately bullish to bullish, the smaller term time frames were not supporting. I had shown you some activities were happening over here, and eventually now what has happened during the day was that I'm sure that there would be some positive reversal patterns would have been blown. This is probably one. So 979, 10,979 and 11,031. It was it was broken successfully, and let me see what might have happened on 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, we positive reversals were broken, and this was probably one divergence 11,027. No, it was not. 27 and 26. Okay, 31, 27. Lovely. This was a negative reversal formation, and so market has corrected all the way till 10,961, but finally it snapped up and closed at 11,000. Okay, so again, as I had mentioned earlier, I'll not be analyzing all the time frames today. I don't have luxury of time today. So facts remain same. On the higher time frame, market remains firm. Market remains moderately bullish to bullish, but on the smaller time frames, trend is not getting supported. I also want to make people cautious about the fact that this divergence 913, 11,031 needs to be looked very carefully. This is to be this is to be seen very carefully. Okay, so main trend remains moderately bullish to bullish. Smaller time frame. I have already shown that those are weak. Those remain to be weak. Though during the closing hours, market snapped up. Next support will be somewhere say here. You may expect market to be taking a support. If not, then market will try to take support somewhere. Say here. This is one gap up, and that was not filled by the market. So anyways, on the smaller time frames, it will be clearly moderately bearish, but longer term time frames are clearly moderately bullish, moderately to moderately bullish to bullish. Today, even the U.S. markets are closed, so there were not much. Otherwise, even if U.S. markets will sneeze, a lot of markets will have fever. Anyways, now the fact of the matter is that this market has we have successfully we I was trying to follow this market very closely, and finally market has stepped into 11,000 zone again. 11,150 to 200 is something that I'm going to watch very cautiously. But for that to happen, these resistances or hurdles have to be broken by the market, and which will once broken, it will show some fresh bullishness being brought by the bulls. I also wanted to bring in a new topic. There is a lot of hue and cry about cryptocurrency. This is happening with something is happening with Bitcoin, something is happening with other coins, etc., etc., etc. So, and there are a lot of rumors. There is a lot of misunderstanding about the cryptocurrency. So I have been looking at cryptocurrency since probably a month or so now, and I have tried to gain some understanding on how these currencies are getting traded, and I have also committed a small capital to so that once only after taking an experience I can speak about it probably, and decide whether I'm going to continue with it or not. So I have committed a very small capital to see how these things are unfolding. And there are a lot of a lot of rumors. A lot of people want to know whether this has got any connection with technicals or not, fundamentals or not. So if this is a topic of interest, you may mention in the comment box, and probably in coming few days or probably over a month we can make lot of we can make lot of we can do a lot of analysis on various coins. There are a number of other coins. You can see this SNX USDT 18% up. It was a while ago. It was 20% up roughly. So if this is something of interest, you can mention in the comment box, or you can send me a send me an email as well. I always mention my email ID below the videos. And if there is an interest, we can come up with some good information on Bitcoin. I can also request one of my friends to join on the channel, or probably he can make a couple of videos based on his understanding on the cryptocurrency, and that can benefit many of us. Basically, he has got good understanding on how these different how these coins are placed, and there are a number of varieties. I personally have not studied those, but I wanted to know whether technicals work over here or not. And knowing that technicals work, I have allocated a small capital as well, so that I can see some trades, and see whether if I am able to manage this instrument, because this is like a very risky instrument if you do not know how to play with it. So one got to be extremely cautious with this. Good night, take care of yourself, and I hope, if time permits, I will try to come tomorrow with a new video on Tasi. And if I see some good comments or response coming in for this crypto, I will come with some update tomorrow on that as well. Thank you. Good night. If in case if you like my content, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Good night.